Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you notice that your Ring camera chime is flashing green, you may be wondering whether the device is experiencing a problem or simply going through a normal process. In many situations, a green flashing light on a Ring camera chime can indicate network activity, setup mode, or a temporary communication issue with connected Ring devices. Fortunately, this behavior is often easy to resolve and doesn't necessarily mean the hardware is defective. Before replacing anything, there are several simple checks you can perform that may restore normal operation. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that can help fix a Ring camera chime that's flashing green. Try these. Step 1. Observe the light behavior on the Ring camera chime. Step 2. Verify the Wi-Fi connection used by the Ring camera chime. Step 3. Check the placement of the Ring camera chime for signal strength. Step 4. Disconnect and reconnect power to the Ring camera chime. Step 5. Confirm communication between the Ring camera chime and the Ring camera. Step 6. Test notifications and sounds from the Ring camera chime after reconnection.